Click on the link below to get price. The Anden Aprilaire Grow Optimized Industrial Dehumidifier is a remarkable solution for those serious about maintaining optimal humidity levels in indoor growing environments. With an impressive capacity to remove 210 pints of moisture per day, this dehumidifier is specifically designed for commercial growers who need reliable and efficient moisture control. One of the standout features of this unit is its robust construction, which is built to endure the rigors of an industrial setting. The white exterior not only gives it a sleek, professional appearance but also helps it blend seamlessly into various environments. The dehumidifier operates on 240V, making it suitable for high-capacity needs, and it delivers consistent performance even in high-humidity situations, which is crucial for preventing mold and mildew that can devastate crops. The digital control panel is user-friendly, allowing for easy adjustments to humidity settings. This is particularly beneficial for growers who want to fine-tune conditions based on specific plant needs. Additionally, the automatic restart function ensures that the unit resumes operation after a power outage, providing peace of mind for those who cannot afford any downtime. Another significant advantage is the energy efficiency of the Anden Aprilaire model. It is designed to minimize energy consumption while maximizing performance, which can lead to substantial cost savings over time. The durable, washable filters are also a plus, reducing maintenance costs and enhancing convenience. While the initial investment may be higher compared to smaller home dehumidifiers, the long-term benefits and efficiency make it a worthwhile purchase for serious growers. The Anden Aprilaire Grow Optimized Industrial Dehumidifier is an excellent choice for commercial operations, offering reliability, durability, and top-tier performance that can help ensure a healthy growing environment. Its capacity to handle significant moisture levels while being energy efficient positions it as a leading product in the market, making it a valuable addition to any serious grow operation.